the beauty industry inspires you the most?
I have a lot of inspirations, but I would say right now, Mona Katan. I love her. Yeah. She's amazing. I love what she's done with the brand.
And we hope yours also goes to the same level.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. One day.
Yeah, one day. What's the one book or podcast about beauty or business that you absolutely recommend to everyone?
I think for a book, there's several that are there in the market. I do love this specific, it's by Anita. I can't remember her last name, but I will get to it, but I can't remember her last name. But she mentioned Anita Dongre, or I can't remember her last name.
Yeah,
but,
Anita Dongre.
I think so.
Is it the designer in India?
No, it's not her. Then I'm getting the wrong one. But her first name is Anita, and she's so good. I actually have her book, and it's so insane. I was reading it like a few days ago, but it's so good because it mentions everything. It mentions the biology of skincare, and I really love that. I think that beauty book has changed a lot for me in understanding the chemical side, the biological side of skincare.
I love it, the fact that you're reading books on beauty. I thought beauty is all about watching nice testimonials.
It's nice.
Yeah.
I mean, on TikTok, I do. And then this is like the skincare part. And then I also love on TikTok, I love Michaela. She's so good for beauty tips and tricks.
Yeah.
She's on, everybody knows her, Michaela, on TikTok. And she's huge and she's so good in giving those everyday makeup tricks, kind of reviewing products individually. I think she does an amazing job because she does it every single day. She uploads about 2 videos. So her.
It takes a lot of effort to upload
Exactly.
2 videos
So
every day.
She
It's a lot
uploads
of
like
hard
2 to
work.
3 times. So that's what I love about her. So is that she's
Alright.
always giving us updates. So I do
really
love
good.
her. Yeah.
Well, you have one of Women of Wonder hamper. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
This
This is
hamper,
so
as I said, comes from the women of the community. So, and this says, when women support each other, incredible things happen.
Yeah, I completely agree.
This is yours to take home. But before that, we
Thank
just want
you.
to finish the show. What's your message for every woman watching this show, whether you want to give a beauty tip or anything that you want to leave our listeners with?
There's so many things I want to say, but I think one thing I would just mention is that just because how fast-paced the beauty industry is, things are moving, there's a certain standard set for women, and we have to always look a certain way, be a certain way. And I just want to put it out there that it's not always a bed of roses. It's not always perfect for every influencer out there, me or anybody. So it's okay to be you. It's okay to have bad hair days. It's okay to, not have the best skin. It's all right. And just be yourself. We're all human beings, even influencers, even beauty moguls and gurus. I would tell every woman, even the younger ones, even the older, and I think much more just the younger audience, just not to be focused too much on the beauty standards because they are sometimes unattainable. And to be yourself is still important, to be true to yourself. Do the best that you can. And in terms of health, in terms of beauty. But if you can't reach them, then so be it, And it's all right because it's social media. Not everything is true on it. And it's even the stuff that we put out there. Not everything is completely true. We're not perfect all the time. And that's okay.
And that's okay. So it's okay to have bad days. It's okay to have not good or perfect skin every day. Just be yourself. Enjoy it. And that's the message from our Women of Wonder today. If you like this episode, you have to please like, subscribe, and share our channel with your friends and family. We'll be back with another Women of Wonder very, very soon.